Hi, I'm Deb Phelps, and welcome to Peaceful Journey. As we begin March and explore the theme of unity, this meditation invites you to gently gather yourself, allowing breath, body, and awareness to come back into alignment. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to be supported. Take a slow breath in and a steady breath out. Feel the contact beneath you, the floor, the chair, the cushion. Unity begins with contact. Bring awareness to the breath. Notice the inhale and the exhale. Now notice the body receiving the breath. The chest expanding, the belly softening, the ribs moving. Let breath and body move together. No forcing, just conversation. Now gently scan the body. Is there tightness, restlessness, fatigue, calm? Rather than trying to adjust it, simply say internally, "This belongs." All of it belongs. Unity within means nothing is pushed out. Notice if part of you feels forward moving, planning, anticipating. Notice if part of you feels hesitant, wanting to withdraw. Let both exist in awareness. See if you can imagine awareness as a wide container, all parts included. No inner argument, just presence. Feel your breath again. Feel the ground beneath you. When breath, body, and awareness align, even slightly, steadiness grows. Not from control, from inclusion. Silently reflect. I can stay. I can allow. I can gather gently. Take one slow breath in and a long breath out. Feel yourself here, whole enough for this moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. This week, I encourage you to notice when you feel scattered and see if you can gently gather yourself again. For the daily meditations, continued reflection, and community support, join our free school community at peacefulwellnessgroup.com. Until next time, may steadiness grow from within.